What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's John here with the day off, on another day off, and I'm hoping you're enjoying yours as much as I am. Right now we are at Menards and we are looking for some stuff to do a DIY clothesline. Follow along, see what we end up doing. The problem I'm running into right now, as is my wife, is we don't know what type of cement to get. The idea in my mind, in her mind, is to get a bucket, fill it with some cement, put a pole in it, and then we're going to stretch it to our tree that we put the birdhouse on. Don't know if it's going to work. Well, I had to get some help. We were nowhere near where we needed to be. Heck, we're outside now. Wow.
But that would be what I would use. Either that or you can use post mix, but that's probably going to be a little overkill in my opinion.
Okay. 60 pounds. Oh, that's a fire pit. Whew. I did not realize how big their property was out here. They got a lot of stuff. Now to find the best thing to make this whole idea come to life with. A pot of sorts. A pupper. Now to get some weed eater string as well. I am just picking up all the house goods today, you know. Gotta get this, and we gotta do some grocery shopping as well. 49% chance of showers today projected, but hopefully we'll get this project off the ground. If not, we might have to wait a few days and see where we're at. But you know, the weather did fool me with the whole Mother's Day thing. Didn't get the grill out like I wanted to on my mom's newish grill, and yeah, so hopefully it'll be a different story, and we'll just have you know, whatever's supposed to come, hopefully it came. We just get some more sunshine again, like that. If we are one thing, we are definitely a nation who knows how to capitalize on ourselves. Now we got cakes. Little Debbie, come on, capitalism. Oh my gosh. Climbing through a cave. I'm coming. Oh my goodness. My knees real bad. Oh my goodness. Concrete knees. No. Down in the bottom there. Come on. If we would have just turned the end cap. Was it worth it? Probably not. But I'll also never do any caving videos on this channel. This lady is a national treasure, but apparently she's also yellow cake and caramel turtle mix. The breakfast section. So what we're trying to do, because we're getting ready to go on vacation, is we're trying to basically eat kind of repetitive, eat simple, not a lot of mess before we head out to Florida, because we got a lot to pack still and things like that. We got to get produce, a little bit of veggies, but yeah, we're trying to just be simple this week and less mess, less stress, get on a plane and go. $127.59. And with that, another Walmart trip in the books. Thank goodness. Craziest thing I've seen lately is the post office working on Sundays, which has been a thing for a while now, but it never used to be, you know? My wife seems to believe it's because they need to stay relevant when delivering packages when you're competing with Amazon and other businesses. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment. You guys don't get to see my secret code for my lock. Sorry. So, got this clothesline here. As you can see, I got an old hat I never wear. Baseball team I don't support. Free shirt and some shorts. We're ready to do some work. Makes me think of my grandpa. He always wore old hats. Usually a wife beater shirt though. And you know, long, like heavy painter pants or trousers, though. I don't do that. Oh, we gotta get some stuff done and it's warm out. All right, let's shovel. I got this guy so I could edge our driveway. So when I'm mowing, but I think to stir concrete, we might go with this guy. It's a little more, I don't know. This is a project I've never done before. Alright, so we've added a little bit of water to the cement mix, concrete mix. We're stirring it like we're making cake batter over here. Noob alert, noob alert.
Yeah, we do need the directions. How hard could it be?
Alright, so I'm holding the pole in here. And we just realized that concrete is going to take, according to the bag, 5 days to set. 5 days. So we're going to have to revisit this video again, I'm sure. Because, wow, yeah. So today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So right before we leave for vacation. We're going to have to come back and finish this thing. Or at least get it set up to be finished. It's going to be a minute before this video is done.
You didn't realize it would be that long?
I didn't think it'd be 5 days. I figured maybe overnight.
I mean, it doesn't have to be straight.
All right, well, you want it to be something. You don't want it to be crooked. The stretch. Well, we moved it due to rain in the forecast. We'll see you after this brief commercial break.
Coming up next, when it comes to your home, you need the best in how-to advice. We've got the guy who wrote the book on home improvement, Bob Vila's Home Again. Coming up next on Hands On TLC.
All right, so a little update. It's actually done already, so that's a plus. All right. Oh, that's stiff. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yep, that is stiff as can be. And look at that sunset. That has sat there all day getting hard. And now we got this amazing sunset. Can't beat it. So with that being said, I guess we'll just finish up this clothesline business either tomorrow or the next day, sometime before we head on vacation. Uh-oh, I think we messed something up. I'm totally kidding you guys. Landlord decided to start replacing some steps on the deck that were starting to get a little soft and fluffy. Gonna make me fall. So we're not messing with the project today of our own. Just gonna go in, eat some dinner. Wanted to show you guys. That's day 2. All right, so we're back. This thing is sturdy as a rock because it is a rock now. And now, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, got new transition lenses. So looking real cool, real fly. But anyway, we're gonna be able to move this thing and make it essentially a mobile clothesline. Anywhere the sun might be coming, we can move it. It's great. All right, I think we may have gotten somewhere with it. Let's see. So we got it attached to the tree there, near the birdhouse, which we could always move if needed. It's going down past the shed here. Don't mind this. This is going to be a flower bed setup, but we did take one of the bricks off to make this more sturdy, to really give it a little bit of a push on the board there. But there you have it. I think that's gonna work, you guys. I will. All right, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Clothesline up. Is it perfect? No. If you have some tips, drop them in the comments. A little DIY project. I've got to run. We've got a plane to catch here tomorrow morning. It's time for vacation. We will see you on the next one.